Imagine a home appliance that at the push of a button turns powdered ingredients into food that meets the individual nutrition requirements of each household member. Although it may seem like something from science fiction, new research aimed at using 3D printing to create customized food could one day make this a reality. The research team built a platform that uses 3D printing to create food microstructures that allow food texture and body absorption to be customized on a personal level. One day, people could have cartridges that contain powdered versions of various ingredients that would be put together using 3D printing and cooked according to the user's needs or preferences. 3D printing of food works much like 3D printing of other materials in that layers of raw material are deposited to build up a final product. In addition to offering customized food options, the ability to 3D print food at home or on an industrial scale could greatly reduce food waste and the cost involved with storage and transportation. It might also help meet the rapidly increasing food needs of a growing world population.